about this beautiful spot you're in.
Well, it's originally a homestead, and the little cabin that we went into, a couple of brothers and their wives came up here and homesteaded. And a few years ago, one of the ladies came by. She said, my sister and I used to live here, and she told us a few little stories, and it was really cute. So we bought the property. We have 2.5 acres, and most of it's back behind us and wild.
Wow.
We have a garden up there, and we grow as much as we can. We use local eggs. We harvest as much as we can. We use a lot of the farmers market's products, and today we're going to put on the top of our is a chef that one of the local farmers makes. She has a herd of goats. They're all real sweet goats.
So do you go to the market to buy your stuff, or do you try to do as much here as you can?
I actually, the farmers are great because they'll come to one of our other B&Bs and they'll drop off things for us, and then we go, the other B&Bs, we go and pick them up. So
It's great here in home where everybody helps each other.
they do, they really do. Here's some of Terry's jalapeno cheese that she makes. So she does a great job. Terry Jones at Calberry Farms.
I love jalapeno cheese.
Okay, so now we can add the cheese to that, and then just whiz it all up again, and these will be ready. Because I cook them ahead of time. So in the morning, one of the things, when you come down for breakfast, you're hungry, and they never have appetizers or starters. So that's my one-woman goal, is to make a breakfast appetizer. Just take a little dollop of that and put it on your potato. Put a little bit of cheese on there.
I love it. The purple, the green, the white. Beautiful. Really good. That cheese cuts down a lot of that garlicky intenseness, I suppose. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a good idea to have the cheese on there, because not everybody likes garlic in the morning.
Although it's really good for you.
Well, I also make a little salmon cake, and people always say, I never eat fish for breakfast. And so I was like, well, now you have.
Now you have. Now you will. Thank you. We're welcome.
Okay, let's make a few more for everybody else.